Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Badoo dating app account using your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo dating app on your device, and if you haven't already logged into your account, you will be asked to log in, and there will be two different methods. You can directly tap on continue with Facebook, or if you don't see this, then you can tap on continue another way. Then you will find the sign in with Facebook option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you might be asked to choose your Facebook account. If you haven't already logged into your Facebook, you might be asked to use your credentials for your Facebook account as well. After logging into your Facebook account using your credentials, you will successfully be logged into your account on the Badoo dating app. And now you can directly start scrolling through various profiles and swipe left or right among them. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Badoo dating application account using your Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.